Hello my friends, in this lesson we will get to know the best free app available on iPhones that allows you to zoom in on relatively distant objects. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons and like and share this video with your friends and family. So head over to the App Store and type in the search bar X zoom camera like this, as you can see. After downloading and installing the app, you can open it normally. You will immediately see this interface and you need to swipe to the right to the end, and as you can see at this last point, we then click on this letter, the letter X. So the app's interface will appear like this, as you can see. Here, we will explain some features and settings that you might need in the future. So, as you can see here at the top, there is an option to turn on the flash, and you can set it to automatic or manual while shooting. We also have the option to switch between taking photos and using the flash. In the video, as you can see, there is a place where you can change the image format while taking a picture. For example, I will leave it in the default mode. You can click on these three dots and you will find some settings that you can adjust here. So there's no need to explain these settings. You can go through them earlier, but the important settings are located here. As you can see, in this area at the bottom, you can increase the lighting while shooting, as you can see. So we will click in this area or on this letter, and through these options, this option allows you to zoom in on a very distant shape, and the second option is to adjust things in the middle. And here we have the zoom out option, as you can see, and we have this option, which is this option, which is flip the phone's front camera. And through this option, such as this feature or option, you can play with it in the future and pass through it. For instance, as I mentioned previously, and we have this option, meaning you can join it in the future. So in this area, you will find all the photos and videos that you have captured. Now we will exit this area, as you can see, and go to the video option. The video option applies to everything I explained earlier. During recording, meaning taking a picture, but there is this option is to prevent shaking while shooting a video. You can turn on this option to prevent the video from shaking while shooting. We have the second option. As you can see, you can shoot with the quality you like, as the application even supports making a video or shooting. Or in 4K format, it means the highest possible quality. And you can click on these three dots, as I told you before. You can play around or go back to these settings while you understand the application well. As you can definitely see, you can absolutely work on these settings. You can certainly flip the image, or as I explained earlier, if you reach this point, please don't forget to check out this playlist of some iPhone tutorials. You'll find important explanations that you'll like and benefit from without a doubt. Goodbye, my dear friends.